sports and games such as cattle race, the Jallikattu. Kanu Pongal, sometimes called the Kanu Pongal. The fourth day of the festival marks the end of the Pongal festivities for the year. The word Kanu in this context means to visit. Many families hold a reunion on this day. Communities organize social events to strengthen the mutual bonds. Festivals are the only thing to unite the relations together in every family to fill the thoughtful happiness and entertainment. With this God, I am proud to say great thanks to my teachers to give me a chance to deliver my speech, Jason.
Yeah, Yoga, you
Sir,
want to say
finish.
something? After
No,
each
sir.
after after each person, you can give one or two comments, and later on at the end you can give more comments. Okay.
Okay, sir. A speech is really good, sir, actually.
Hmm.
At the small age, is speaking very well, sir.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Now can we go to Abhishika of Kanyakumari? You can introduce and then talk.
Good morning to all. My name is S. Abhishiga. I'm studying 4th standard. St. Isla's Convent Nursery and Primary School. My place is Kolaseharam. Today I am going to say about my favorite festival. Christmas is my favorite festival. It is celebrated on 21st December every year. Jesus Christ was born on this day. They bring a Christmas tree to their houses. It is decorated with bells, light, balloons, and stars. The children wait for Santa Claus and he brings gifts and sweets for children. The Christmas festival gifts and gives and message of love, harmony, peace, and brotherhoods. Thank you.
Oh, very nice, Abhishika. You have taken a different festival, that is Christmas. Now I would love to hear from Yoga.
Thank you, sir.
Yoga, you want to say something?
Sir, at the small age, many is speaking well, sir.
Good. Anyway, you give your comment at the end of the session. No problem. Now, can I request Sandhya to give her speech?
Good morning to all.
Yeah, good morning. Carry on.
Good morning to all. My name is Sandhya. I am studying 8th standard Panchayat Union Middle School in Thirumanamede. Today I am going to talk about the festival Pongal. Pongal is the harvest festival in Tamil Nadu, India. This festival is celebrated on 14th January every year. This celebrate for 4 days. The first day is Pogi Pongal. Pogi Pongal is breaking the old things, throwing the old things, welcome the new ones. Pogi to eradicate waste and cleaning the house nice. Pongal is a sweet dish made this janagar and rice. Matu Pongal is to worship the cows that harvest. Kanu Pongal for exchanging gift and wish the best. Happy Pongal. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, very nice, Sandhya. Wonderful. Only a small correction. Eradicate. So you said some other pronunciation was slightly different.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay. I think that you can improve.
Celebrated also.
Yeah, that you can improve over a period of time. When you keep on talking, you will improve. So you, without fail, you keep talking to your friends, keep talking to your mother, keep talking to your classmates, and if nobody is available, keep talking to the wall in your home. No, that you keep talking. The wall will not talk back, but you can talk. Yes, madam. Renuka Ramesh, You want to say something?
Happy Pongal to everyone.
Okay, okay, right, right, okay. Right. Now, who else is there? Kavinder is there. Kavinder, you want to speak? Kavinder, are you there? Kavinder, are you there? Maybe some connection problem. Ah, he's there, he's there. Kavinder, are you there? You want to speak? Yeah. Introduce yourself and then speak.
I am Kavinda. I am studying 12th standard in NSL Memorial School, Chitlapakam. My native place is Nagarkoil. Now I am going to speak share Republic Day. Dreamers are the ones who can face reality. Transformation takes time. The dream of 1857 was fulfilled in 1947. I support each and every Indian who aspires for the betterment of our nation. A very happy morning, Miss and my dear friends. I am Kavinder. Today I am going to talk about Republic Day. Today is 26th January, our Republic Day. A day filled with patriotism, great affection, and respect towards our motherland, India. This feeling awakens in every Indian minds. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Republic. What is Republic? What is the meaning of Republic? The word Republic is derived from Latin word Respublica, related to the people. Republic is something that is connected to the people. It is a system in which the country belongs to people. It is a system in which country belongs to people. The government belongs to the people. The democracy is the greatest means for restoring this kind of system. The Lincoln Sir explained the system in very simple terms. As the democracy is the people, by the people, and of the people. I am very proud to share with you all that India is the largest democracy in the world. But by only saying the country become republic. Of course, for that it needs a constitution. The constitution is made by many elected representatives. The constitution is the basis of representatives determiners that determines the distribution and the use of supreme power. The Constitution of India was passed by the Constitutional Assembly on 26 November 1949, and that is why 26 November is celebrated as Nation Constitution. On historic date 26 January 1950, our Constitution came into our effect. India, a country blessed with so many great personalities such as Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Swami Vivekananda, Queen Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, Queen of Jhansi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Rabindranath Tagore, and many more. Once, when Dr. Kalam was asked what is the major strength and weakness of the India, do you know what he answered? He answered the youth. Yes, 261 million youth or people are the strength of India. The weakness of India, the vision, because a nation dies without vision. I think vision is the only quality lacking in the younger generation today. So what we can do? The only thing the youth of India can do today is to inculcate and to work upon all the commendable qualities that already exist within us. Today, India has a very prestigious position on the world map. It is the duty of the youth of India to maintain it, to take our country to greater heights. Today's celebration brings a trash of day within all those soldiers who have lost their valuable lives from the betterment of our nation. I support all the freedom fighters who have lost their values, who have sacrificed their lives for our independence. I would salute and pay my highest tribute to the soldiers who are still working on the border to continue this freedom. I conclude my speech by singing a song for our youth. மனதில் உறுதி வேண்டும் வார்த்தையிலே தெளிவும் வேண்டும் மனதில் உறுதி வேண்டும் வார்த்தையிலே தெளிவும் வேண்டும் உணர்ச்சி என்பது வேண்டும் ஒளிபடத்த பார்வை வேண்டும் ஞான தீபம் ஏத்த வேண்டும் மனதில் உறுதி வேண்டும் வார்த்தையிலே தெளிவும் வேண்டும். Thank you.
Thank you, Kavinder. I think it was a very detailed speech. Only problem is the audio was little disturbing, so we could not hear some of your speech. But no problem. As usual, I think you have done a wonderful speech. Content was, I think, quite a lot of content you have covered. And then you have taken this Republic Day as one of your favorite festival. It's nice of you to take Republic Day as your festival. So happy for you. Now we'll go to Manimegalai. Manimegalai, are you ready? Yeah, thank you,
Thank you,
Kavinder.
sir.
Yeah, thank you, Kavinder. Manimegalai, are you ready for the
One
speech?
mistake he happens.
Yeah, tell me, Yoga.
Democracy is spelled as democracy.
Yeah,
Something
correct. Yeah.
is spelled, sir.
Yeah. Pronunciation, I think, little bit here and there is there. Manimegalai, are you ready? You want to speak? Manimegalai? Okay, who else wants to speak? I think Renuka?
Kavishwar sir.
What, sir?
Renuka Ramesh, you want to speak? Or your audience?
No, sir.
Or your audience? Okay, Kavinder.
I'm audience,
oh,
sir.
Renuka, this Renuka. Okay. Kavinder, who is there? Kavishwar is there?
Yes, sir.
Kavishwar sir.
Yeah, Kavishwar, you can
Kavishwar.
speak. You can speak.
Happy morning, Miss and my dear friends. Now I'm going to talk about Pongal, but firstly, I like to wish you all a very happy Pongal. India is a land of agriculture. Pongal is 4-day festival celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Pongal is also known as a life-changing festival. Pongal is celebrated to thank sun, rain, cattle, over all nature. Pongal means overflowing. It signifies the overflowing the joy, happiness, love, wealth, and prosperity. It shows the love between human and nature of each other. If humans have good touch and action, they will revive their good thought and action. They will revive good habit later. This festival is known as other names of Mahar Sankranti in North India, Lori in Bihu in Assam. The first day of Pongal is called Bohi. It is celebrated the honor Lord Indra, the god of the rain. On this day, all the things are thrown and burnt in fire. This denotes the burning of negativity. The second day is the Surya Pongal. On this day, sun is worshipped. House are decorated and rangolis are drawn. Rangoli is not a mere part of decoration, but tradition. Next, we make sweet Pongal in the traditional way. The two Pongal means to boil. Today, we offer God's son sugarcane, tamarind sweet meals with a message that without sun there is no life on earth. This is the significance. The third day is Matu Pongal.
It is celebrated in the name of cow. Cows are worshipped as Komada. Komada as Lakshmi Devi, which is the symbol of wealth. At the same time, the bull is get ready for Jallikattu, the traditional dance of Tamil Nadu, the Bharatanatyam, the traditional game of Tamil Nadu, Silambatam team or this day is celebrated as Thiruvalluvar Day also. The last day, the Ganam Pongal is celebrated on this day. The relative is performed. The Ganam Pongal is celebrated by sisters for the welfare of their brothers. On this day, people meet their friends and relativity and go out and enjoy the day together.
Okay.
Now I am going to sing a song about the Pongal. எல்லாம் அடித்து வைத்து வீட்டை நன்கு மெழுகி வைத்து வெள்ளை எல்லாம் அடித்து வைத்து வீட்டை நன்கு மெழுகி வைத்து விடியும் போதை குளித்து விட்டு விளக்கு ஒன்றை ஏற்றி வைத்து விடியும் போதை குளித்து விட்டு விளக்கு ஒன்றை ஏற்றி வைத்து கோலமிட்ட பானை எதில் கொட்டு மஞ்சள் கட்டி வைத்து கோலமிட்ட பானை எதில் கொட்டு மஞ்சள் கட்டி வைத்து அந்த பானை தன்னை தூக்கி அடுப்பில் வைத்து பாலை ஊற்றி அந்த பானை தன்னை தூக்கி அடுப்பில் வைத்து பாலை ஊற்றி பொங்கி பாலும் வருகையிலே பொங்கலோ பால் பொங்கல் என்போ பொங்கி பாலும் வருகையிலே பொங்கலோ பால் பொங்கல் என்போம் தேங்காயோடன் கரும்பு சோறும் தெய்வத்துக்கு படைத்து வைத்து தேங்காய் கரும்பு சோறும் தெய்வத்துக்கு படைத்து வைத்து ஒன்று சேர்ந்து உண்ணிடுவோம் ஓடி ஆடி பாடிடுவோம் ஒன்று சேர்ந்து உண்ணிடுவோம் ஓடி ஆடி பாடிடுவோம். Thank you, sir.
Yeah, nice Kavinder, very nice, very good song also you sung. Only problem is audio was little disturbing, but no problem. I think you did an excellent job. You did not introduce yourself. You are in which standard, which school, which place?
What standard, sir?
Third.
Yes.
Third standard, which school?
NSM Memorial School and Kavishwar.
Oh, Nagargoil.
Yes.
Okay, right. Good. Now, who else is there? Vishnu Priya, you want to speak?
Yes.
Yeah, carry on, Vishnu Priya.
Sir, can I start, sir?
Yeah, please.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for having me. My name is V. Vishnupriya, and I am going to be speaking to you about the picnic I enjoyed. I am from 8th standard. The picnic I have enjoyed. Picnic is a source of entertainment for all. Children, young and old, all like to enjoy the picnic in their own way. They learn to enjoy their lives together. Generally, the winter season is the best time for picnic. We arranged a picnic on the last Christmas day. We collect the subscription and hired a bus. On the every day, we started our journey to Simlipal. We took everything with us. Our teachers also went with us. The bus journey was very enjoyable with feet tapping and loud music. We play Antakshari. We reached there at 11 a.m. and we enjoyed the beauty of the nature. We played and sang happily. We saw the tiger project, many animals, birds and snakes there. We took bath in the fountain. We had our lunch at 2 p.m. sitting together on a grassy ground. Then we discussed many things about our experience. At 4 p.m., we returned back to our destination. Now, picnic is very common for all. Students, housewives, villagers, officers, and other staffs go on picnic. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Vishnu Priya. You have done a wonderful job, even though it's a short and sweet speech you gave. You are from which place?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Trichy, sir.
Trichy, okay.
Trichy, sir.
So many people from Trichy this time.
Thank you,
Very
sir.
good, very good. Okay, who else is there? Manimegalai. Are you interested in speaking or are you an audience? Okay, Rufina Mubin is
Sir, any
audience.
correction in my speech, sir?
Yeah, we will discuss. No, nothing major. I think you did very well.
Sir, any correction in my
That's what I'm saying. Nothing, no major correction. You did very well, but we will at
Thank
the
you.
end of the session we will we will give some tips. Then who else? Rufina Mubin is the audience. I know.
Okay, sir.
So then who else is there? Sandhya has spoken. I think everybody we have covered. Then Bhuvanesh is also an audience. Right. Okay. Now I would request our judge to give some tips to our students. Afterwards, once our judge
sir.
finishes her speech, I will request Renuka also to give some tips to our students. Yes, Yoga Priya.
Okay, sir. Vishnu Priya told really very well, but one mistake she had done, sir.
Yeah.
They returned to our bus something she said, sir. We returned, she has to tell, sir.
Okay.
And when you start your speech, first you have to introduce yourself. That's very, very main point.
Okay,
Then leave
ma'am.
some place after completing. This is not only for you, for everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
So whenever we want to start, just start a dramatic speech. Give
Yeah.
some dramatic introductions.
Yeah,
So
Yoga
that should
Priya,
be the
what you
first
can
point
do, you can
have to
give a
understand.
general instructions instead of one person, particular person. Generally, how they should frame their speech. Like that, you can give some tips.
We have to frame very easy sentence, and what you know, you just frame it, sir. Simple sentence, what you understand at this your age, they want to prepare, sir.
Yeah, Renuka, you want to say something to our kids?
Yes, sir. This is my first ever. I'm entering into this program, and I was really astonished by seeing these excellent students talking in English.
Yes. We have students from 3rd standard.
Like a 11th standard world college, their fluency is really excellent, sir.
Correct.
I'm admired.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. Thanks, Renuka and Yogapriya, for giving your comments on our students. Our students, there is one student from 3rd standard, one from 4th, two from 4th, three from 4th, and 7th, 8th. We said it is between 4th and 8th, I think. The 3rd standard student also has come because his brother has come. So that is how it has happened. And in fact, since we had many entries, we had kept 3 batches. The first batch, 9 students took part. In this batch, I think 6, 7, 8 students have taken part. So it's good.
Content, fluency, and pronunciation of everyone is good, sir.
Yeah.
Everything is good, sir.
Correct. The content they have done very well. Pronunciation, little bit here and there, some problem are there. Okay, fine. Grammatical, for example, somebody said children's. There is no children's. Children is plural. So like that you have to, somebody said typically, not typically, typically. No, that pronunciation will be there. Anyway, we are not native speakers, native English people. We are, we are Tamilians who learnt English. Obviously, such mistakes will come. But over a period of time, when you go up in the ladder in the class, you will, you will correct all those mistakes. It should not be a problem. Yeah, Renuka, you want to say something?
Congratulations to all the speakers.
Yeah,
who
very
spoke
nice.
in this.
Very nice. We have one more batch at 12.
I think everyone is the winner, sir.
Yeah, everyone is a winner. Whoever participates, because the courage and confidence with which they come to this program, that itself shows they are the winners. No doubt in it. All participants are winners in our program. And then we have one more batch 3 at 12:30. Once that is over, we will announce the results, and based on the result, those people will participate in the final round on January 30th. The final round is on January 30th. There may be about 7 or 8 students will be shortlisted for the final round. Okay, that is this one. If you have any doubts, kids, if you have any doubts, you can ask me now. Manimegalai, you wanted to say something? You are an audience, I think. Manimegalai, are you an audience? நீங்கள் கேட்க வந்தவங்களா? I think something, okay, no problem. Because some audience also might come, so that was the thing. Or I would request now Bhuvanesh to give his comments. He is also an audience, so I want his comments.
Sir, they have a good content, sir. Kavinder named a boy, speak nicely, and he speaks about the Republic Day, sir. It was so nice, sir.
Okay, okay.
Sometimes he puts the mistakenly as a democracy and sometimes something, sir.
Okay. Good. Okay, that is the.
He was said in very different. He sing a song that was so nice, sir.
So nice. Very good. Very good. Okay. I think nice of you for giving some comments. I would request Rufina Mubin to give his comments.
Sir,
You can give your comment.
sir, all of them good at. Okay, sir. So all of them good at speaking in English, sir. And they are in the middle of them. There are mistakes, sir, but all of them are good speaker and have a good speech, sir.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Thank you, Rufina, and thank you, Bhuvanesh. We will close at this now. Thank you, our judge Ogapriya, and thank you, our guest Renuka, for coming over here and then participating in this program and encouraging us to mingle with our students. And thanks once again for all of you. We will we'll meet in the WhatsApp groups. Okay, thank you so much. Can we close this? Anybody wants to say anything?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Okay. Tell me.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, when the result will come, sir?
This result will come today evening and final round will be on 30th, January 30th. 30th.
Sir, one
Okay,
doubt,
sir, thank
sir.
Yes.
Sir, January 13th topic ஏதாச்சுமா சார்?
ஆமாம், டாபிக் கொடுப்போம். அது அன்றைக்கி மட்டும்தான் கொடுப்போம், அதுக்கு முன்னாடி கொடுக்க மாட்டோம். January 30th, if the program is at 4 o'clock, you will be given a topic in the morning. Okay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay.
Happy Pongal, sir.
Happy Pongal. இன்னைக்கு நீங்கள் ஹாப்பி பொங்கல் சொன்னீங்கன்னா நான் மாடு ஆயிடுவேன். ஹாப்பி மாட்டு பொங்கல் சொன்ன மாதிரி இருக்குது, அப்புறம் நான் மாடு ஆயிடுவேன். எனிவே எங்கள் வாத்தியார் என்னை அப்படி தான் திட்டுவார், என்னடா மாடு மாதிரி நாங்கிட்டு இருக்கிறேன் அப்படிம்பார். அதனால் நோ ப்ராப்ளம். Okay, all the best to all of you.
I also have a doubt, sir.
What doubt?
Third batch link you have posted in the WhatsApp, sir.
We will do it. I will do it. Third batch link will be posted in the
Okay, sir,
WhatsApp.
please. Third batch. Sir.
Yes?
Third batch link, sir. I want third batch.
Wait, one at a time.
இன்னும் என்னோட நேம்
மணிமேகலை கூப்பிட்டே இருந்தேனே, நீங்கள் பேசுறீங்களா?
பேசுறேன் சார்.
Carry on. We in fact many times we called Manimegalai.
Sir, my name is Ilamaran, sir.
Okay, Ilamaran, you speak.
Good morning, all. My name is J. Ilamaran. I am studying 7th standard in PUMS Chakramalur. I have come here to speak about my favorite festival in Pongal. Pongal is widely celebrated in South State. It is harvest festival. It is usually festival that marks the growing and harvesting of new crops. Pongal not only marks the happiness but also prosperity. It is celebrated in month of January 14th or 15th in English calendar. Tamil calendar is Thai Day 1. Most of the festival in India are related to nature and Pongal. Women prepare traditional dishes and wear traditional dresses. Houses are decorated with flowers and rangoli. People visit temples and thank sun god for the harvest season. And the next day is Matu Pongal, where the capital is Kanu Pongal, where the visit the relatives and friends and share. On the happiness with each other Pongal.
is there a festival of much enjoyed hope and happiness?
I think some audio problem there with Ilamaran. No problem. We'll close at this. Yoga, you can send the results directly to my number. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.